Hello, everyone. Today's video is going to teach you how to download Twitter videos on computer easily and quickly. First of all, you need to launch Joyoshare VidiKit on your computer. After that, select the record section to open the screen recorder. To record Twitter video with audio, you need to click the camera-like icon to choose the record video and audio mode. But if you only want to record audio, you can press the speaker-like icon to select the record audio mode. Next, press the little gear icon to adjust recording settings in the way you like. For example, under the basic record options, you can change your save path and tap the format button to set up your output format. Here you can customize the codec resolution, frame rate, etc. You can also change the shortcut keys and add your personal watermark as you like. If you need, you could also choose to schedule your recording tasks, highlight cursor and clicks, etc. Now, you can open the Twitter video you want to download and record on your computer. To grab the capturing area, you can press either the plus icon or the triangle icon. Don't forget to turn on the system audio or the microphone and change the volume. Now, you can begin to press the rec button to start recording a Twitter video.
My father was silent most of the time. He was not communicative. I grew up thinking, my father was like ashamed of his family. That was my entire picture of masculinity. Did you have to deal with that?
So my father leaves when I'm 2, and I don't meet him until I'm 10 years old when he comes to visit for a month. I had no way to connect to the guy. He's a stranger who's suddenly in our house. On the surface, Bruce and I don't have a lot in common. He's a white guy from a small town in Jersey. I'm a black guy of mixed race, born in Hawaii. He's a rock and roll icon. I'm not as cool.
After recording, you can begin to play and edit your recorded Twitter videos at ease.
My father was silent most of the time. He was not communicative. I grew up thinking,
silent most of the time. He was not
communicative. I grew up thinking.
That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
That was my